Welcome back. So this is YouTube TV on an iPad. So to get started, what we'll do is we'll click on the App Store. The App Store icon is where you'll be able to download new apps to the iPad. So we need to download the app YouTube TV to be able to watch YouTube TV on an iPad. So in the App Store, you'll click on Search, and then you'll click on the bar and you'll type in the words YouTube space TV, and then just click Enter or Return. What's nice is you'll see all the different apps that are available, and you'll choose the YouTube TV app. If it says, mine says open, that means I already have it downloaded on my iPad. If you see the word get or a cloud icon, then you can click on either of those to be able to download it to your iPad. Don't confuse it with the other one, YouTube. We want YouTube TV. So since I have YouTube TV already on my iPad, I'll click on that. And if this is your first time downloading it, it'll ask you to sign in. And you'll want to sign in with that same YouTube account that you used when you created it on the computer. So that is your Google account, also known as a Gmail account. So after you're signed in, this will be the home page, the welcome screen. You'll see across the top are some recommended top picks of things that are playing on TV right now live. You can see it says live on the bottom left corner of each square. And if we scroll down, you'll get under to the resume watching area. So those are shows that I might have started watching at some point that I'd be able to go back and resume where I was at. And what's really nice, if you keep scrolling, you'll see add to library. So you'll see the presidential debate on NBC. Say that's what you wanted to save. You can click the plus icon right there, and now it is added to your library, and you can watch it anytime after the show airs. But say you wanted to be reminded and watch it right when it starts, you can click the bell icon, which is right next to it, and then that will save that and it will remind you when it's time to watch it. And say, don't worry if you forget and you don't notice the notification, you can always come back and watch it at any time. And if you scroll down, you'll see some other shows that are live at the current moment. And if you scroll down, you'll see news that is live as well. And if you go to the bottom left corner of the iPad, you click on library, you can see all the different shows that you have saved. So you can click on shows, movies, sports, and you can even click on what's scheduled recordings to see what is going to start recording in the future. And if we go back to live, if we go over to live in the bottom right corner, you can see what shows are playing at the given moment. So what's nice is, say we swipe over and choose a show like the Kelly Clarkson show over here on the right. It hasn't started yet, but say we wanted to save all the episodes and watch them in the future. You can click on the plus icon, and what it's going to do is it's going to save every future episode, not reruns, but just future ones. And those will save into your library on the bottom left of the iPad, of the YouTube TV app. So it makes it really nice to be able to re-reference those shows and not have to go through every single episode that you need to save through a guide. So it saves you a lot of headache there compared to traditional cable or direct TV channels. And if you click on home, that's where you go back and you'll see all of the different shows. So say there was something you wanted to watch. In the top right corner, you can click on the magnifying glass and you can type in different words. So we can type in drama and then hit enter on the keyboard. And when we type in drama, you can see dramas that are playing right at this given moment if you wanted to watch something right now. So, and if you click back on the home button, that's the main screen. And you can even see here where there's, if we go back, we see all shows, comedies, sitcoms. We can be able to search in a many number of ways to be able to find the show that you're looking for. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoy YouTube TV on your iPad. Have a great day.